Hey guys, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to fix if TikTok messages are not sending. So I'll give you several different options here that you can walk through one by one, and let's get started. So first, I'm on TikTok here. I'll tap on the little inbox icon at the bottom, and then at the top right I'll tap on the little message. And say I want to send a message. And I can just find any random person and then go and say, great video, and then send. And then one of the things you'll notice here is you can send up to 3 messages since the user hasn't followed you yet. So I can send one video or one message, but the follower hasn't followed me yet, so I can't send more than 3. In other cases, I can send a message and it won't go through at all. So here it says messages cannot be sent since this user isn't following you. So one time or one instance of how you're not able to send messages is simply if you want to send a message to somebody but they haven't followed you back. So that's one way that you have to basically, wait until they, follow you back, and then you'll be able to send them messages. Another thing is if you have bad internet connection. So for that, it's pretty easy. You can just swipe down, you can turn on airplane mode, and then you can turn it back off. And then hopefully then you would have better internet connection to be able to send the message. And then I'll show you a couple more really cool tricks. One is that sometimes it is an issue with the cache that's stored on your app. So if you go back, keep going back, and tap the little me icon on the bottom right, and tap the 3 dots on the top right, you can go all the way down and you can see under there clear cache. And what clear cache does is it clears the information that's stored temporarily on your device. Sometimes this causes issues with sending messages because there's kind of corrupt data that accumulates over time. So you can just tap clear cache, that goes down to 0, and then you can try to send your message again. And if all of those don't work, then I recommend going to Help Center. Report a problem. And then you'll see under here notifications and messages towards the bottom. And then message. And then unable to send messages. And then it'll give you a few guidelines. You're following each other. You have linked phone number. You have enabled message and privacy and safety settings. So you can go through those. If that still doesn't work, you can press no, still have a problem, and then you can send a problem to them that you can't send a message, and they should look into that and be able to fix it for you. So that's kind of the last case scenario. But that's it. Those are 4 good steps to go through to make sure that you can send your TikTok messages. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and make sure to like this video. Thanks.